Hey guys, good evening. So tonight I'm going to make a review of this product called VR Box Virtual Reality Glasses, and I bought this at Shopee.com. Shopee.ph. I don't know, but anyway, I bought this just out of curiosity because I've read a lot of, good reviews about this product, so wanna try this one. So this is the box. Actually, it looks crumpled. It's been sitting here for quite some time. I haven't touched this one because I was so busy in my life. Yes. So let's take a look at it. Look inside. So this is what it looks like. It looks good, but there's one thing I've noticed when I opened it. What is this? Actually, I bought this one like a month ago, or I wasn't sure when exactly, but it shouldn't be like this. And what is this? It shouldn't be like this. And look at this. Oh my gosh. And there's an instruction here. What is this? In Chinese, English character, instruction. So it's on the other side as well. They're like that. I don't know what kind of instruction it is. So I'm just gonna follow the steps here. They said use this three steps. So yeah, and there's the, what is this? Huh? What is this? Well, anyway, this is the I don't know, the trapo, the rag. I don't know. This is the white side. I'm not sure. So we'll see. Let me just use this one real quick. So let's get right to it. The first step is, it says here, enter the application market, download game resources, which is the VR app. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I've downloaded an app at Play Store. It's called VARS VR Player. So but it took me like forever to choose one of these apps, and it made me like frustrated.
Really, nigga?
Because some of them are, basically I don't know how to use it. So it says here, choose whether you want it to use it for video or for picture. So basically, okay, I'm waiting for this one. Hold on. So open the app and open this. I'm not sure how to open this one. It's quite good, but it's it's really like empty inside. Ooh. Yeah, probably this is the I guess this is where I'm gonna put my cell phone. Actually, I'm gonna be using my Sony Xperia. It's an old version of phone, so because I can't afford it. So I actually don't know how to place this. Please bear with me. Oh. Okay, so Oh no. What am I doing? Shucks. It's gonna be like this. Yeah, that's cool. Then, yeah, says here put like this, like this. So I kind of choose the picture. So let's see how this one. Actually, the strap is quite strong. So let's try this one. Oh my gosh! Woo! Wait, wait. Ow, ow.
Oh my gosh, no.
Okay, basically, I used it for picture, but you know, I just immediately noticed that inside when I tried to look up the the thing inside, what you call this, the viewer, what am I saying, the lens, it's quite moving, and when I look up, it starts to kind of fall down, like it slides down. So I'm not sure if this is, you know, it should be like it will automatically, you know, slide down when you look up. So basically my first impression is actually on the outside it's quite okay, it looks nice, but actually it's pretty disappointing for the fact that when I use it, it kind of gives me like an unusual view, because I have you know, I wear glasses, not really, it's only for what do you call this? I forgot. For correctional purposes only. So, but my thoughts of this is, I don't like it. Maybe, I don't know. I bought this at Shopee.ph. I can't say whether this is, you know, legit or this original or fake. I'm not sure. I'm not quite impressed. Actually, this is really affordable when I look at this at Shopee.com. But I am quite disappointed. But anyways, just my opinion, you know. But if you guys had tried this one already and you liked it, maybe, you know, we had, you know, different choice. But for me, I was kind of disappointed with this one. How many times I'm gonna say disappointed? So, well, yeah, that's my review for this product. So, I think that's all. I would like to hear any of you guys, if you haven't tried this one. I don't know, maybe it's just fake. It just wasted my time. I'm so hungry. I don't like this one. I'm just going to eat my dinner anyway. Bye-bye. Anyway, please comment down below and like and subscribe if you have any time. Bye bye.